sales reps. You can create sales reps for your customers. To access this function, select Customers. Lists. List of sales reps. Add sales rep. Enter sales rep details. Enter first name. Enter last name. Enter email address. Enter telephone number. Enter mobile number. If you want to add any notes, you can add under Notes tab. After enter details, click Save button. By clicking Save and New button, you can add more sales reps. You can view sales reps from a list of sales rep. You can sort sales reps by their details. By clicking Action button, you can edit or delete sales rep. However, if you have linked sales rep to a customer, you cannot delete sales reps. After creating sales rep, you can link the sales rep to customer. When entering customer transactions such as quotation, sales order, invoice or credit note, linked sales rep to the customer will display. If you want to change the sales rep, you can change. You can generate sales by sales rep report. Select Customers. Select Reports. Select Sales by Sales Rep. From Report Filters, filter Report. You can select sales reps from 2. If you don't select any sales rep, system will display all sales reps sales. From Active option you can select active, inactive or both sales reps. From sales type you can select item sales, accounts sales, time sales or all sales. Report options you can select report options. You can select date range. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, last month, last quarter, last year. If you select custom dates, you can select specific date range. If you select all, system will display all date range sales reps sales. From style, you can select detailed report or summary report. If you select detailed, system will display each transaction-wise report. Report will include transaction date, transaction number, customer name, quantity, total cost, total selling price, gross profit amount, and gross profit percentage. If you select summary, system will display total sales for each rep. Report will include rep name, total quantity, total cost, total selling price, gross profit amount, and gross profit percentage. If you tick on Include Credit Note, system will include credit notes to the report. If you tick Use Last Cost, system will calculate gross profit from last purchase price. If you untick Use Last Cost, system will calculate gross profit from average cost. Click View Report button to view the report. Click Print button to print the report. Click Email Report button to email the report.